Good day. My name is Abdurrahman Saili from Faculty of Plantation and Agrotechnology, UITM Sarawak. Okay, I would like to share the teaching learning activities using the Google search platform. This is considered as Open Educational Resources, OER, which is beneficial to everyone, especially during the COVID-19. But it is very much relevant for the post-COVID as well. Right, the current technological advancements allow us to employ several ways to design the teaching and learning activities using the Google search platform. It is very important to consider the preference and perception of learners while designing the activities to make the learning effective and productive. Preference of the learners in related to the readiness or willingness of the learners to participate in collaborative learning and the factor influencing the readiness for online learning. However, for the students, all of them are having their own smartphone. So it is not difficult for them to participate in these activities. So the product for Open Educational Resources, OER, is what my team and I call as fun teaching, student teaching and learning activities using Google search platform. All right, the team members for this project is led by myself, and then we have Ms. Josephine Taning Pahang, Ms. Zubaida Yusuf, Mr. Ahmad Shahir Abdul Aziz, TS Dr. Zaitun Sapa, and also Associate Prof. TS Dr. Fazlin Abdul Fattah. The objective of these activities are actually to capitalize on the usage of the Google search platform as the medium for teaching and learning activities for the students, to expose the students to the real scenario in enhancing the knowledge in international agriculture marketing, and also to stimulate the students on how KFC expanding globally by creating appeal locally. Right, the widespread of use of the internet on university campuses for research and email is quickly feeding into teaching and learning in an ad hoc and piecemeal way. What matters most is how computer and IT technology can be used to improve student learning and skill development. Clearly, we need to begin to think seriously about how to use web-based learning to teach any relevant subject. So Google plays an important role in education by enhancing efficiency, productivity of lecturers and students. Its apps and services foster higher degree and collaborative that empower students and level the playing field for all. The low price and free apps and services can be affordable by all and used widely. Okay, here is the sneak peek. The activities is created for the subject of International Agriculture Commodity Marketing, AGR 35753. This is actually for postgraduate students. This is for the Chapter 7 product adaptation. Students are given the assignment to use Google search platform as their teaching and learning activities. For this subtopic, we will cover on the global product strategies, development of new product for international market, and also the product adaptation. So here is the students' activities, student assignment. A student are assigned to go for food shopping online, KFC. And then please Google KFC online stores in different countries, explore the website, analyze any differences in the menu offered in different countries, discuss the product adaptation by KFC in certain countries to remain competitive in the international market. Here is the Googling activities. Yeah? And then if you can see, here is the KFC Malaysia. If we browse the website kfcku.com.my, you can see the difference here. In Malaysia, we do offer nasi lemak KFC and nasi kari atok. Yeah? This is the KFC in India. Through online kfc.co.in, you can see that there is a difference as well, especially in India, they offer the biryani combo. They also have masala fried chicken as well. Okay, this is the Indonesia. In KFC Indonesia, they are famous with nasi kepal, and they also introduce pom pom here, which is very common in Indonesia. Right. So if you're not fully familiar with what the magic entails, consider KFC product launch from around the world. If you go to KFC Thailand, they offer shrimp donuts, Singapore's egg tarts. In Australia, they have nacho box and double down dog, a hot dog wrapped in a bun-sized piece of fried chicken. The mac and cheese zinger with the bun made from mac and cheese, and of course the original zinger chicken sandwich, which originated in Trinidad and Tobago in 1984 and finally came to the US in 2017. So from the Google search, the student can experience the product adaptation. For example, in India, just now they offer biryani bucket. In Malaysia, we have nasi lemak and nasi atok. And in Indonesia, they do offer nasi kepal, which is plain rice, and also pom pom. So before we end the session, let's hear the feedback from the students.
For me, this learning activity is important where I can improve my self-awareness, and this can make our study session more meaningful, productive, and fun.
During the lecture, we just listen and try to imagine the real example given by the lecturer. But through this learning activity, we can experience the real scenarios ourselves. We don't need to travel to the particular countries physically, but just virtually.
I prefer this kind of learning activity, so it is more fun and I tend to understand better.
Okay, in conclusion, student teaching and learning activities by using the Google search platform are recommended and can be tailored to any subject matters and level of education. We just need to be creative. So it is important to create an enjoyable environment and establish a supportive learning culture in order to promote meaningful learning experience among the students. With that, thank you.